Select New Project. Select Console Application and select the .NET Framework. Give a name for the console application project and click OK. This is the main body of the console application. First of all, I will show how print a word in console application. Console.WriteLine will print whatever written inside the brackets along with double quotes. Click on Start icon to run the program. Output console will disappear as soon as it opens. Because to keep it you have to write console.readline after WriteLine.